All right, here we have Unit 10, Lesson 17 on the math, in case you're kind of confused on how to do this. So it's a math task, so you know it's going to be a little difficult. So it says Stephanie bought 3 movie tickets for a total of $21. Okay, so 3 tickets, $21. Carol bought 5 tickets for a total of $35. Now they want you to create a table showing the price of each ticket. So they want to know how much is 1 ticket, 2 tickets, and 4 tickets. So our tickets are going to be the X rule, and the Y's are going to be the price. So they want to know 1 ticket, they want to know 2 tickets. I already know 3 tickets. They want to know 4, and we already know 5. Okay, so the 3 tickets I know cost $21, and the 5 tickets cost $35. So I need to figure out, well, how much is 1 ticket, 2 tickets? So we need to figure out 1 ticket. So let's look at the pattern between these numbers, the relationship. What can we do to 3 to get 21? Well, I know that I can add 3 plus 18 is 21. So if I add 18, I get 21. But let's see, what is 18 plus 5? 35? No, that's 23. So adding does not work. Let's try, what else makes it something bigger? Multiplication does. So let's try multiplying. I know that 3 times 7 is 21. Is 5 times 7 35? Yeah, obviously, so that's the rule. So looks like the rule is to multiply the x numbers by 7, and that'll give you the y. So let's try that over here. So what's 1? Follow the rule. 1 times 7, 7. 2 times 7, 14. See the pattern? Looks like it's going by 7s, right? 4 times 7, 28. And then it says write them as an ordered pair and also write down the rule. So the rule looks like these numbers at the top, the x numbers, looks like you're adding 1 each time, right? It's 1 more, 1 more, 1 more, 1 more, 1 more. So we say add 1. The rule on the 7s looks like you're adding how much each time? Looks like we're adding 7 each time because that's increasing by 7. So let's go ahead and write the order them as ordered pairs. X first, then y. So we have 1, 7, 2, 14, 3, 21, 4, 28, and then 5, 35. Okay. The last thing we need to do is just graph the corresponding terms as ordered pairs on the coordinate plane. So now we need to graph these onto the chart. Okay, and that's the last thing that's the last thing you need to do. And then it says, what pattern do you see? Well, the pattern looks like it's multiplying the x by 7 to get y. Alrighty, so you can probably do the homework one on your own. Okay, so number 2. It says generate 2 numerical patterns using the rule add 2 and add 4. So you need to tell what's the rule. Complete the patterns by writing them in the table. Find the corresponding terms and write ordered pairs. Graph the ordered pairs on the coordinate grid. So we could start, let's see, the rule is add 2 and add 4, right? So that means these numbers go by 2, so it's going to be 2, add 2, 4, add 2, add 2, add 2, add 2. Pretty simple, right? Guess what we're going to do over here? We're going to add 4. So we have 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. The next thing is now we need to write them as an ordered pair. So let's do that. We have 2, 4, 4, 8, 6, 12, 8, 16, 10, 20, and 12, 24. Let's see. Okay, it looks like that's it, right? Then you just need to graph those onto the grid. Yeah, okay, pretty simple. And hopefully you can get that one. On the next one, it says look at the graph, write the ordered pairs on the table. So now we need to look at the graph and write these over here. Okay, so we're gonna start with the bottom one because usually the bottom one is the first one. So let's see, on the bottom one, looks like it's 3, 2. So the first one is 3, 2. So we're gonna write it over here, 3, 2. The next one looks like it's 6, 4. 6, 4. Let me just write them all the ordered pairs first, and then I'll write them over here, okay? Next one we have is 9, 6. 9, 6. The next one we have is 12, 8. The next one we have is 15, 10. And then the next one is 18, 12. You probably see the pattern already. You probably don't even need to look anymore, but you see the pattern. It goes by 3s, and this one looks like it goes by 2s. Following the pattern, the next one should be 18 plus 3 more, 21. 21, 14. Let's see. 21, 14, yeah, that's what it was. 21, 14. And then you just pretty much write the numbers like this. 6, 4, 9, 6, or you can just, follow the pattern. And then this one's by 3s. And then, well, what's the rule? These numbers are all plus 3. You're adding 3 each time. And what's the rule over here? Looks like the numbers you're adding 2 each time. Okay, now the next part that's a little different says, write a real situation this table and graph could represent. You have to write like a story for it. So let's see, you could say, let's see, you could say that every 3 hours, because here I have a 3, right? Every 3 hours, John gets paid $2. How much money would he make after 9 hours? How much money would he make after 15 hours? You can do something like that, okay? And that was it. And that's all you need to do for this math test, okay? Hopefully that helps you and you can be able to figure out how to solve. Good luck.